Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 20 of Qaida. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Who for Dhamma, circle your lips. Wa for Waw, circle your lips. And for Fatha, open your jaws. Who, wa. Both are short. Huwa. How will you stop? Who. Why this is long? Because when you are stopping, you will give sukoon at the last letter. Okay, I'll write it for you. So you will give sukoon at the last letter, and that is wow. And what it becomes? It is now 2 counts long vowel. Remember, there are 3 naturally long vowel. Alif sakna followed by fatha, waw sakna followed by dhamma, and ya sakna followed by kasra. And when we give waqf, it matched the second option, waw sakna followed by dhamma. Who. Now it's 2 counts long. Who. La, short. Ka, kaf is light and short. Laka. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the last letter, and kaf with sukoon will get sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. And how we will stop? Lak, lak. He for kasra, give e sound. Ya for fatha, open your jaws. He, make sure you give e sound in this kasra. He, it's not he. He, yeah, he. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and look what it has become. It is ya sakina followed by kasra, and this matches this combination, which makes it 2 counts long. So when you will stop, it will become 2 counts long. He, ta is short and light. Ra is heavy here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy, and heavy ra sounds like ra. So ta, ra. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound because lenomar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So the sound of ra will not stop abruptly, but it will have a medium flow of sound. Taru, and ra will be heavy because when you give sukoon at the end, you have to check the letter before it. If it is with dhamma or fatha, ra will become heavy. So in this case here, ra will be heavy because ta has fatha. Taru. In continuation, how we will say taro. And when you are stopping, you are giving back at the end. Taru. Ma, short. A, from your throat. Both are short. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma'a. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the last letter, and that will ayn with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut because this is part of lin umar. Ma, ma. Kha is heavy letter, so we will write capital H. La, short. Qa, heavy letter. So make sure you make lam light because of these 2 heavy letters, we tend to make the middle, which is light letter, we also tend to make it heavy. Be very careful about it. Kha, la, qa, khalaqa. And how will you stop? We will give sukoon at the end, and qaf with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Qutubu jaddin. Okay. And how will you stop? The sound will be like خلق. خلق. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. ق. Qaf is heavy letter, so you will write capital H. ق. Ba. Ba is short. وقب. All three of them are, all three letters are short. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So ba with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because qutubu jaddin are the letters and ba is one of them. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. So how will you stop? Waqab. Ha from your throat. Sa, sin is short. Da, short. Hasada. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and dal with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. How will you stop? Hasad. Ka, kaf is light. Sa, short. Ba, short. Kasaba. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Ba will sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Kasabe. Qaf is heavy, so we'll write capital H. Da, short. Da. Then ra is heavy. Ra with fatha or dhamma is always heavy, and heavy ra sounds like ra. Da, ra. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So this sound of ra will flow a little. Qadaru. Qadaru. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Ha from your throat, and it is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Ba. Wahaba. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and ba with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. So at the end it will get sifa of qalqala. Wahaba. Wahaba. Sad is heavy letter. Da is short. Qa is heavy. All three of them are short. The sound should stay short. Sadaqa. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So qaf with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because qutubu jaddin are the letters and qaf is one of them. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. Sadaqa. Qaf will be heavy and will get sifa of qalqala. So both qualities should be there in qaf. Sha for sha is light, and for fatha on your jaws. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. Sha ra. Ha from your throat. Sha ra ha. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. And how with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is a flow of sound. The sound should flow. Sharah. Sharah. It shouldn't stop. Fa will get sifa of hums. Fa in any state will get sifa of hums. You have to apply hums, and hums is a flow of breath whenever you see fa in any state. This sound should be there. This is a flow of breath. Fa, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Heavy ra sounds like ra. Fa, ra, do is heavy. So we'll write capital H. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and dot with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa and istatala. Farad. Be careful, don't ever bounce dot. Dot has rakhawa. The sound shouldn't bounce in dot. Farad. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Wa la, short. Da, wa la da. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Dal with sukun will get sifa of qalqala because qutubu jaddina, the letters whenever these are with sukun will get sifa of qalqala and dal is one of them. Walad. Qaf is heavy, so we'll write capital H. D, dal is short, and for kasra give E sound. For every dhamma, you are circling your lips. For qu, D for E sound, give E sound. U, D, ro is heavy. For fatha, ro with fatha or dhamma, it's always heavy. And the heavy ro sounds like ro. U, D, ro. Qudiro, qudiro. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Qudir, and ra will be in light when it will be with waqf because ra with sukoon, you have to check the letter before it. If it is with kasra, ra will become light. So here in this situation, ra is light when you are giving waqf at the end. Qudir, and ra will get sifa of qalqala too. Sorry, tawassut. Ra will get sifa of tawassut and it will be light when you will going to give waqf. Qudir. Who for dhamma, circle your lips. For kasra, give E sound. Who, D, D. For kasra, E sound should be there. D, who, D, ya, who, D, ya. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. And now this whole thing will become what? 2 counts long vowel because ya sakina followed by kasra. So it will be 2 counts long when you will give waqf. Hudi. Nu for dhamma, circle your lips. For kasra, fa will get sifa of hams. Whenever you see fa, there should be a f. This sound should be there, and this is hams. And hams is a flow of breath. Nu, fi. And for kasra, give E sound, and the sound is short. Nu, fi, kho. Kho is heavy. And for fatha, open your jaws. Make sure to make any letter heavy. Don't ever what? Don't ever circle your lips. Nu, fi, kho. Nu, fi, kho. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and kho with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. Nu, fi, kho. The sound should flow very nicely. Nu, fi, kho. For dhamma, circle your lips. Kho is heavy, so make the sound heavy. Khu, li. For kasra, give E sound. Khu, li, qaf. Qaf is heavy, so the heavy, for heavy letter we give a capital H as an abbreviation. Khu, li, qaf. Make sure you keep lam light because of these 2 heavy letters beside it. We tend to make it heavy, but be very careful. Keep it light. Khu, li, qaf. Khu, li, qaf. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Qaf with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala because qutubu jaddina, the letters whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Khuliqa. Ghu, ghain is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ghu, fi. For kasra, give E sound, and fa will get sifa of hams, and hams is a flow of breath. This sound should be there whenever you pronounce fa. Ghu, fi, ro. Ra is heavy here. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy, and heavy ra sounds like raw material. Yes, you can say that. Gu fi ra, gu fi ra. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. The ra with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. The sound of ra will flow at a medium pace. Ghufir, ghufir, gu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Dad is heavy and the sound is short. Eri, look how light ra is with kasra. The heavy and light ra has 2 very different sounds. Bu, ri, ba, buri, ba. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Ba with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Buriba. Woo. For wow, circle your lips. For dhamma, circle your lips. Woo, ain from your throat. The sound should be short, and kasra is very light. Woo, da, woo, da. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and dal with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Woo, Ku. For dhamma, circle your lips. For kasra, give e sound. Ku, ti, ku, ti, ba, ku, ti, ba. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Ba with sukoon will get sifa of qalqala. Ku, ti, ba. Yeah. Yeah is soft, and for fatha open your jaws. Sound is very short. Do. Dot is heavy, and for fatha open your jaws. Yeah. Lo. Ru. For ain from should be from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips. Yeah. Lo. Ru. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and the ain with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah. Lo. And how will you stop? Yeah. Lo. For dhamma, circle your lips. Qaf is heavy and the sound is short. Li. Dad is heavy too. For kasra, give e very light sound. Li. And the sound is short. Yeah. Yeah is soft. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Li. Yeah. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and look what happened. This is a short, long vowel now. Ya sakina followed by kasra. Look, this combination matches this combination, which make it 2 counts long. When you are stopping here, it will be 2 counts long. Qudi. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.